web page makes creating a new web page easier than ever. Let's walk through how it works, from design to sizing for phones, tablets, desktops, and even printing. Every new web page is instantly connected to a cloud database. All the information entered is stored automatically, with nothing extra for you to set up. Database storage, export, and history are built in from the start.
The Page Designer shows your page exactly as it will appear to users. You can configure over 25 different widget types, including calendars, drop-down menus, and text fields.
Many widgets feature built-in validation, formulas, and calculations, so your page works reliably the moment it's published. You can upload a PDF, JPG, PNG, or GIF to use as your background.
Widgets can then be placed directly over the image, aligning with the form or design you have chosen.
After uploading a background, WebPage immediately opens the Background Resize tool. This lets you fit the background to the minimum size of your target device, whether it's a smartphone, tablet, or desktop monitor. For phones and tablets, resize the background so it neatly fits the display. On desktops, let the image expand to fill the larger canvas.
Always resize your background before placing widgets. If you change it later,
Widget positions won't move automatically. You'll need to adjust them manually.
Now let's make sure your page prints cleanly. No code needed, just WebPage's built-in controls. When you toggle size for printing, WebPage shows a red outline box that represents your paper size, by default NA letter portrait. If your background is too large, just use the slider to shrink it until it fits neatly inside the box. This prevents your design from spilling onto multiple sheets unexpectedly. You can change paper size and orientation. The red outline updates instantly so you can preview exactly how it will print. For multi-page backgrounds, fit the first page, then use page break widgets to separate each section. That way, each piece prints cleanly on its own sheet. Remember, resize before adding widgets. It keeps everything aligned on screens and on paper.
By setting your page size first and then configuring widgets, your design stays responsive, consistent, and professional on every screen and even in print. And that's how easy it is to create a new web page and size it perfectly for any device or print. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get started with confidence. In our next video, we'll take a closer look at widgets and their properties. So stay tuned to see how to make your pages truly interactive and powerful.